Origin of bioelectric signals. Bioelectric signals are electrical signals generated by biological organisms, such as the heart and brain. These signals are typically generated by muscle or nerve cells, and are used to communicate information throughout the body. Bioelectric signals are used in a variety of medical applications, from diagnosing and monitoring heart conditions to detecting brain activity. Bioelectric signals are generated by the movement of ions across cell membranes. When ions move, they create an electrical potential. This electrical potential can be measured by placing electrodes on the surface of the skin or inside the body. The resulting signal can then be used to measure and analyze the activity of the cell or organ it is attached to. Bioelectric signals can be used to diagnose, monitor, and treat a variety of conditions, including heart rhythm disorders, sleep disorders, and epilepsy. They can also be used to monitor the progress of rehabilitation following an injury or illness. In addition, bioelectric signals can be used to detect brain activity and to create prosthetic devices that interact with the brain.